Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your equipment using the Construe software. So after you log into your account in the main page, there are four subsections here. There are four tabs. You click on Equipment, and here you can see the list of all the equipment and tools that you have. Right now, we don't have a lot of them, but we're going to add new equipment and tools so you see how it's done. In order to do that, you click on New. Here you have to fill in the information about your equipment. You can upload a picture of your equipment or tool if you have. I'm going to upload a picture of a shovel. It's a tool. And you give it its name. It's a wood D-handle square point shovel. You specify a code. You specify its type, whether it's an equipment or a tool. This is a tool. The status is available. And you give in all the details about this tool, so everyone who wants to use this tool know what it does and what it's about. And you create. You can see that the tool is successfully added to the list. Let's add a new one. This time this is an equipment. It's an excavator. You give its name. It's a Bobcat large excavator. You specify a code. You specify its type, which is an equipment. It's available. And the details of your equipment. And you create. Again, it is successfully added to the list. If you pay attention, you can see that the icon for equipment is different from the icon of the tool, so you can tell them apart. And if you click on equipment here, you can only see the equipment. And if you click on tools, you can only see the tools. And if you click on all items, you can see all of them together. And when you have a lot of equipment and tools and you want to search among all of these equipment and tools that you have, you can use it. You can use this section here, so it's easier. Now, what's important about this part is that how to assign this equipment and tools to your crew. First of all, your crew need to ask for this equipment to be assigned to them. And in order to do that, they have to go to their project. They click on the project, and in the sidebar, they click on equipment section. And they need a new equipment, so they click on book. Here they can see all the equipment and tools that you have in the project. And let's say that they need this shovel, so they click on request. And a request is added to the list. And if you pay attention, the status is pending, which means that it's waiting your approval. It's waiting for you to accept their request so that they can have access to this tool. Now, let's also book the excavator here. Request, and you can see again that it's added to the list. Now, it's not assigned to them yet. They have only requested this. You, as the project manager, again, you go to your equipment section. And what you see here is that each item, each equipment or tool has a notification icon. And when it's blue, it means that someone has asked for this equipment to be assigned to them. So what you want to do is you click on Edit. And you can see the name of the person here who has asked for this equipment. You can accept the request or you can reject it. Let's accept the request. As you can see, the name appears here, which means that this person has access to the equipment and now they can use it for their work and for their project. Also for our tool, let's accept it, and it's assigned to them. Now, if this person checks it out, they can see that in the equipment section, the status of the equipment have changed to in use, which means that now they have access to their equipment and they can use it for completing the project. Once they are done with the equipment and they no longer need to use it, and they want you to free the equipment, all they have to do is to click on the delete icon here, and yes, delete, and yes. So now you, as the project manager, you go to your equipment section, and again you can see that the notification icon has turned blue. If you click on edit, you can see a red flashing circle around their picture, which means that this person has asked for you to remove the equipment from their account, so you free the equipment. Again, you free the equipment. And the equipment is free, and everyone else who wants it or who needs it, they can go to their account and ask for you to assign it to them. You can see here that to go to their account, the list is empty, which means that the equipments are free and other people can use them. And basically, this is how you use the software to manage your equipment.
True construction management software.